Good morning, students. How are you all? Today I am going to teach a new chapter. The chapter's name is Chapter 10, Owl and the Moon. Can you see this owl over here? Where this owl is sitting? This owl is sitting on a rock. Okay? Today we are going to learn a new story. The name of the story is Owl and the Moon. The story has been written by Arnold Lobel. The story is about an owl who thinks that the moon is his friend. The owl was sad whenever there is darkness but gets happy when there is light. The story shows how the owl speaks to the moon, thinking of the moon as a friend. I will be teaching the story in two parts. Today is the first part. Let us start with the story. All of you take out your book and put your finger, okay? And read along with me. One night, Owl went down to the seashore. He sat on a large rock and looked at the waves. So children, the owl went to the seashore one night. Seashore means sea beach, a place where there is sea, sand and rocks. The owl sat on a rock and looked at the waves. Have you been near the sea beach, children? Everything was dark, so Owl felt a little sad. It was very dark over there. The owl felt a little sad on seeing this. Just then, a small tip of the moon came up over the edge of the sea. So just when the owl had started to feel sad, a small part of the moon was visible over the edge of the sea. Edge of the sea means the farthest point of the sea which we can see and look like the sea and sky are touching. Owl watched the moon as it climbed higher and higher into the sky. Owl looked at the moon as it was going up in the sky. Soon he could see the whole round shining moon. After some time, Owl could see the whole round shining moon. Owl sat on the rock and looked up at the moon for a long time. So Owl sat on the rock and kept on looking at the moon because it was looking so beautiful. If I am looking at you, moon, then you must be looking back at me. We must be very good friends. Owl tells the moon that if I am looking at you, it means that you also must be looking back at me. This shows that we must be very good friends. The moon did not answer, but Owl said, I will come back and see you again, moon. But now I must go home. So children, Owl is talking to the moon. But can the moon reply to him? No. Again, Owl tells the moon that I am going now, but I will come back again to meet you. Owl walked down the path. He looked up at the sky. The moon was still there. It was following him. Owl is returning to his home. He looks up at the sky and sees that the moon is still there. He thinks that the moon is following him. No, no, moon, said Owl. It is kind of you to light my way, but you must stay up there at the sea where you look so lovely. Owl tells the moon that you are very kind to show the light on my way, but you must not follow me. You must be at the sea where you look so beautiful. So Owl is thinking that the moon is following him home. Owl walked on a little further. He looked at the sky again. There was the moon coming right along with him. So after telling the moon to go back, Owl a bit further again. He looks at the sky again. What does he see? He sees the moon is again coming with him. Dear moon, said Owl, you really must not come home with me. My house is small. You will not fit through the door, and I have nothing to give you for supper. So, children, Owl thinks that actually the moon is following him home. So, tell the moon that you must not follow me till my home. You are so big and will not fit through the door. Also have nothing to give you for supper. Supper means dinner, the last meal of the day. So, children, how did you like the story till now? Have you ever wondered about the moon and its bright light? This is the first part. I will teach the second part in the next class. Watch the video again for better understanding. Take care till we meet in the next class. Bye-bye.